Alright, here are these 52-inch unknown ceiling fans here at Sonny's Barbecue in Somerset, Kentucky. At a restaurant. There's 5 of them here. This is the back room. All of them here are not on. There's some people here. You know, I can't turn them all around. Turn them on when there's people around. I just turned that one on before I started the video. Three of them there. Four of them here. Three of them here in the patio. There's Christmas tree there. There's one in the foyer turned off. There's 3 at the bar. There's a lot of people here, so I'm not gonna be able to record it. There's 3 of them here in the patio, so that's it.